labor, birth, or postpartum, and I'll be glad to answer them, okay? So our first question of the day is from Sylvia from New York, and oh, the poop question. Is it normal to poop during labor and birth? Let's talk about poop in labor and birth, okay? So it's very, very common. So one of the first signs of labor is a diarrhea or just your bodily functions. They're gonna work very well. You're gonna clean it up when you're at home, or in the first signs if you're in a hospital already, but it's normally during early labor you're gonna poop and clean your body, okay? When it gets to the point of you're pushing, right? You're pushing the same way as you're pooping. So the same bodily function that makes you poop, it helps the baby to move down, and so that's the same effort, the same muscles. Okay, so it's very, very common. You probably might poop during labor, yes. I don't have a percentage of that, and there's no studies. I look for it, and there's no much studies about how many women poop and how many doesn't, but most of women do. It's not like you're pooping a lot of poop. It's really like kind of like, I don't know, an olive seed kind of poop, like a tiny little thing when your midwife is massaging your perineum, or your doctor is massaging your perineum, the nurse is right there. So it's like when it happens, it's actually a good sign when it happens, because it means that you're pushing in this with the good muscles. So it's a sign that everything is how it's supposed to. So you're relaxing your bottom, and you're pushing like you're pooping. So it's a good sign. And when it happens, your nurse can just clean it out a little bit, and that's it. It's not like a amount of poop that you're gonna be embarrassed about. It's just really not a big deal. If we had any issues with it, we'll not be there. So we're all used to, and we're happy when it happens, because it's really a good sign, okay? So what you can do is you can bring some essential oils, for example, peppermint or lemon works very well, and you can ask your doula. I normally carry my own essential oils when I'm going to labor with a client, and so that's something you can do. Like, you open the essential oils, let the nice smell in the room, and then kind of can help, so you're not thinking about what's going on down there, okay? Which is it helps to really focus on what you're doing, right? You need to push, like your life depends on it, and being worried about pooping or not pooping, it's not something that helps in that moment. So having tools to manage that feeling, or really just to kind of covering the smell of it helps, and it might happen. So talk with your partner about it, or if you don't care, that's awesome, it's even better. So you just focus on what you're doing and keep doing. If you poop during labor, it's good, okay? So I hope it helps you to kind of ease your mind. It's not diarrhea kind of poop, and it's not like a huge amount of poop. It's just a kind of like an olive seed kind of poop, okay? And it's fine. It's not a big deal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have questions, the weirdest ones. Don't worry about it. Just post in the comments, and I can answer them in the next video. Thanks for watching.